Okay, so we're going to look at the 2016 mock paper question 7 on calculus. We've done some of the work already, and now we're just going to focus on some of the harder parts. So initially we were given a function which tells us how a stunt plane moves, so it does a maneuver, and the function tells us over time how high it goes. And it's saying in this question, use your answer from part 1 to find the time it would take the stunt plane to reach the top of its initial climb before the plane begins to dive. So basically, we've got this plane going up and up and up. It hits a point, and then it starts diving. It goes down, down, down. This differentiated function that we did in part 2. So we figured out that t squared minus 15t plus 50 describes how this plane moves with regards to time. What we know is that when it hits its point here, it's actually going to stop dead for a second. If you throw something up in the air, it reaches the top point, before it falls back down, it completely stops, just for a split millisecond. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to make this equal to 0, because it completely stops here. So this describes how the plane moves, and it stops dead up here. So we're going to make it equal to 0. And now we can solve this. So we can straight away go in and we can actually solve this and figure out the time that it takes before it hits this point here. So a little bit tricky again. Sometimes you might need to use things like your minus b for this. In this case, you could use your minus b, but there is a way of factorising it without. So I know the factors of 50. 50 times 1, 2 times 25, 5 times 10. And if you look at it, 5 by 10 gives us minus 15, because I can write t minus 5 and t minus 10. And now we can solve them. I know that t minus 5 is equal to 0, t is going to be equal to 5. I know t minus 10 is equal to 0, t is going to be equal to 10. So we've got 2 possible answers there.